CSLA 2010 Smackdown, CSLA annual.
Spaces.com, and we just made a little parenthesis of people that have inspired us, different Smackdowns. The Smackdown format has been used in various different places across the nation. There's a Zoo Burst that I'd like to welcome you with. Who they are. I guess that's what I wrote. Who they are. This is Jane Lofton, who's like my main, well, actually these are all my main mentors, but, well, besides Joyce Glenn, I couldn't fly her in. But anyway, Jane is a good, she looks like Joyce, so that's part of the reason, but Jane Lofton is at Miracosta High School in the Manhattan Unified School
Manhattan Beach.
Manhattan Beach, I'm sorry. Go ahead and introduce yourselves then. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm Jane Lofton, and I just started a new position this year as the TL at Miracosta High School in Manhattan Beach.
Yay.
Deb Stanley, and I'm at Central Middle School in Riverside, tech teacher, librarian, and / NAGO coach.
I'm Janet Hasbrook, and I just retired as the librarian at Arcadia High School. And these three ladies, I refer to them to my husband as the Energizer buddies that I got to do this with. So they're an inspiration to me as well.
So we're just going to start off with the Zoo Burst. We put it on Caleb a little bit ago. The Caleb label should be going around. If you want a Caleb label, I've got them later afterwards. But the Zoo Burst will be popping up in just a minute. And this is one of our digital storytelling. So we're kind of going in order, left to right. Let's see, this is going to be our first fail for the morning. Oh well, we'll work on it. Okay, so then this is the way the wiki looks. The wiki looks, we'll see the Zoo Burst later. Web presence, we got Blogger, Wikispace, WikiWorks, then it goes down. Yeah, we're ahead of schedule, we're great. So what we're going to do is image generators after that, and we've got the ones that we're using are, so this is Zoo Burst, digital storytelling. It's a really cool thing I just learned about from Jane. And here, it just a pop up here, they all popped up, and then you go over here. Alright, and if you click on the little people, what are they going to say? Strong school libraries equals strong students. And these are our avatars. There's Marie, Deb, Janet, and Jane. And then that's...
You can even turn it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now let me show that. You can turn it, and there's the, you can see the backs of us.
This is just my first. I think you can do a whole lot more with it.
Yeah, but this is still awesome. So yeah, see the different things. You can change the horizon, you can change how many clouds are in the sky, that kind of thing. And you can embed it, and a lot of what we're going to do today is show you things that you can embed, and the embedding code comes up eventually, and those are the things in the little angle brackets. And every time you see the things in the angle brackets like this is stuff that you can put into your blog or into your wiki that makes these things just come alive. So the first person...
Images, and then play it as a slideshow, so it's similar to Flickr, but...
So like here's a slideshow that I did just of pictures of kids visiting the library for Dia de los Muertos display. And if I add, once I embedded that text, I can add more pictures, and I don't have to even come back to the blog or the website or whatever and update it. The embedded text, I mean, it just updates itself automatically. But another thing you can do is go back into Slide and .com. And like if I'm getting tired of this particular effect, so I'm going to change it to melt or something like that. You know, you can do all different types of effects. Like in my old library, I featured
just the remote mouse. Devolver is it's instant, and you would click go here, and it's free, and you just simply you click a background, and you go back, and you click something, and you go on to the next one, and you click how many people talk, and you click. Now this is where it's blocked, because you get some characters that are, this one is a little bit scantily clad, okay? So that's why I've done it with under, you know, and you click next, and you just say hi, and the next person says hello, and you go on, and we don't have I should put in our speakers. What the kids love, are we up as loud as we can go?
Yeah, I need to put in some speakers.
Okay, I have my speakers in my bag. Anyway, the kids pick their, and you finish, and you have to backspace though. You can't just highlight, and you just put hello, and then you have to backspace, and you just put teacher. Whoops, I hit the cap lock.
I've told kids you need to be careful
Oh,
how you
I'm sorry,
spell
the
because
catalog.
you'll see your misspelling.
Anyway,
You know.
let's just go ahead and you go. And the only thing, and you send it to your, the important thing is you send it to yourself, and then you capture it, and you just quickly make one. So let me go back out of this now, because that is as difficult as it is. And the application of it is, again, I used it to create, oops, let's see, let me go in. Oh, my bad, it's further down. And I couldn't get the kids to pay their fines on time. They would hold the book because, well, I don't have the fine money. Fine Planet, that means you forgot your library book again. You're right, but I haven't finished it yet, so I need to keep it. But you don't know how to come to the center and renew your book, in other words, so you get the idea. So, okay. Let's see if the Watch My Tutorials will load. Okay, I do encourage you to go ahead and play the tutorial for this because it just simply gives more information.
Hey, this is Kate Dennis here to show you how easy it is to create a character in Tula. Tula.com is a website that lets you create your own comic strips. It's fun and ridiculously easy to use. So easy, in fact, that it doesn't really require a video tutorial on how to do it. But here's one anyways. When you just join Tula, this is the first thing you'll see. A randomly generated character made up of different body parts. You see, each Tula character is made up of these parts over here. Hair, eyes, nose, mouth.
No, have the kids make one on nouns or adjectives or something like that. Have them, the two kids partner up and make yourself something on, talk back and forth on using, do a little book review, anything like that. This is, what are you reading? I don't know, but you're reading out loud, but I'm not listening. My middle schoolers, they would like something like that.